What are those?
Those are presents.
From who?
Huh?
From who?
From who?
Yeah.
From me. The big one's Papa Frank's, though.
Where's the little one?
Well, I believe that that one on top is yours.
Mine?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Yep, that one's yours.
And then the one underneath it says Kirsten.
This is the picture.
What do you tell Uncle Jeremy?
Yeah, okay.
Uh-huh.
Can you guys look over here and say thanks, Amber and Sully?
Thanks.
Over here, over here.
Over there.
Thanks.
Okay, go ahead and open it.
I'll just rip it, Kirsten.
Just rip it. Just rip it.
What do you got?
What you got?
A baby.
Can you turn it so I can see?
Mama, look.
Oh, new baby.
Look.
Let's see.
Oh, pretty.
It's pretty.
We got earrings and necklaces and shoes and purses. Oh, and that's a hat. Awesome.
And clothes.
Okay, can you tell Amber thanks again? Over here.
Thanks. Thanks. Mom, I want
Like, how do I get it out?